Hi, this is Justine, and I'm doing my Quizlet on project-based learning. It is a group of 12 cards, and we're going to go through the definitions of each. I'm going to show you the vocabulary word, and I will narrate the definition as we go through. All right, let's begin. I did not create this group of 12 cards. It was found on Quizlet. I just typed up project-based learning. It's the group 12 cards. So, driving question. A driving question initiates and focuses the inquiry and captures and communicates the purpose of the project in a question. Collaboration is the action of working with someone to produce or create something. Creativity, the process of having original ideas that have value. Communication, the act of transferring information from one place to another. Critical thinking, the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue in order to form a judgment. Authenticity. Students are doing work that is real to them, or the work has a direct impact on or use in real world. Student voice and choice. Student voice and choice creates a sense of ownership in students. Students use their sense of judgment when solving a problem. Reflection. Reflection helps students solidify what they have learned and think about how it may apply elsewhere, setting goals for further growth and deciding how they might approach their next project. Public audience. Public audience motivates students to produce high-quality work and helps create a learning community. Inquiry. Inquiry is an active, in-depth process where students seek to investigate new information. 21st century skills. The skills and knowledge students use to succeed in work, life, and citizenship. The challenging problem. The challenging problem is the heart of the project. It is a challenge to investigate and solve, or a question to explore and answer. This is my Quizlet screencast, very first one, on project-based learning.